questions is
Good,
satisfied.
good, good. That means if a page is analytic in a domain D, the CR equation must be satisfied, right? So, any doubt? What is your name, please?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. One doubt is there, sir. Sir, a question is there. So, shall I send it on WhatsApp group?
You read out for every student should be know your question. If somebody will solve, so you read out the questions. You read out the questions. That question is common for all the students.
No, sir, I'm sending it on WhatsApp group, na?
No. You read out the questions. So now everybody. So what you read out the questions first.
Sir, it's bit mathematical.
What?
Means it is mathematical term, sir. Means how can I read it? Oh, okay, sir. So the question is, let C be the arc of the circle. Mod Z is equal to 2. From Z is equal to 2 to Z is equal to 2i. That lies in the first quadrant. Show that integration Z plus 1 over Z to the power 4 minus 3 dz mod is less than 3 pi by 13.
Is less than 3 pi by
13.
I'd like to send the WhatsApp group.
Friend, sir.
So actually that is called arc length. So your arc is z is equal to mod z is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2 on the real axis. X 2 imaginary axis y 2i. That is your arc. C denotes that arc. It is lying in a first quadrant. So that this is less than equal to 0, 3 by 2. This. So that is one of your chapter. That is you have book with you. So just wait. I will give that Churchill book with you.
No, sir.
No, sir. If in one Churchill book, you see page number 138. If you have a book, Churchill, you see the page number 38, 138. So that questions, doubt is workout example, example 1, workout example. Anyone has Churchill? Any students? Any students has Churchill book? Hello? Any students? No.
Yes, sir, but 9th edition it is.
You see the chapter upper bounds for moduli counter integrals. Upper bounds for moduli counter integrations. Right? Integral chapter. So in my book, it's 43 articles. Right? So actually the theorem is if C denotes the contour of length L and suppose that the functions f z is piecewise continuous on C, if M is non-negative constants such that modulus of f z less than equal to M for all point Z on C at which f z is defined, then just I will take a photo and send to you. WhatsApp. You see, everybody should see. Good questions, good doubt. Vishal Kumar? Vishal? Hello, Vishal?
Yes, sir, present, sir.
So you
I'm
have got
seeing.
the you have got the WhatsApp what I sent to you.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a soft copy of the book. I have opened the page
You have
138.
a book. You have a book,
Soft copy, sir. Soft copy.
a soft copy. You see that questions. So if the so in a WhatsApp group you see Ansuman. Ansuman.
Yes, sir.
So I have sent that doubt with that theorem. Have you seen that doubt? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing the images you sent.
You see that theorem is first page. I have stated that theorem already. That is a modulus of integral over the curve C f z dz is less than equal to ml. That is called, it is called ml inequality. The name of that theorem is called ML inequality, because it is what is your L? L is the length of the arc, and M is the maximum value of Fz on the curve. That is called the integral modulus of that integral less than equal to ml. So that already one of your friends asked that doubt. That is you see example 1, workout example 1. Mod z is equal to, so where C is the arc of circle, mod z is equal to, from z is equal to z is equal to 2i, that lies in the first quadrant. So the modulus of that integral is less than equal to 67, 6 pi by 7. So it is already solved, you see. This is done by nothing. First, that if z is a point on C, so that mod z is equal to 2, that is the radius is 2. Then what is z plus 4 mod is mod of less than equal to triangle inequality. Mod z plus 4, that is equal to 6. Triangle inequality, right? Mod z is equal to 2, and this is 4, this is 6. Similarly, denominator zq modulus of zq minus 1 is greater than equal to triangle inequality. That is mod z whole cube minus 1. What is that? If mod z is equal to 2, then whole cube is equal to 6 minus 1. So it is equal to 7. 7 means that is 2 mod z is equal to 2 is equal to 7. Modulus of this 6. Z cube minus 1 mod. $57. That is right 7, because mod z is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Now from that theorem, so modulus of z plus 4 by z cube minus 1 mod is equal to z plus 4 mod divided by z cube minus 1 mod is less than equal to 6 by 7. What is that? That is a mod of Fz. That is equal to m. 6 by 7 is m. So if you apply that theorem, what is the length? What is the length? Z is equal to I2, Z is equal to 2i. Z is equal to I2, Z is equal to 2i. In fact, this. So what is the length here? And observing that L is equal to pi is the length of C. Length is equal to pi. So we may now inequality 5. So how it is length is equal to pi? What is the arc length? Total arc length is, this is on a first quadrant. Figure 46. Where 46? 46. Total arc length, what is the total total arc length कितना हुआ? What is the perimeter of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Right. R is equal to 2, that is 4 pi. Right. Perimeter of the circle total is 2 pi r. That is r is equal to 2, that is 4 pi. So in first quadrant is a pi, right? So if you substitute, then in that theorems, result is nothing but it is 6 by 7 pi. So doubt clear? Hello? Who has sent that question to me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ray, the student who has sent that question, is doubt clear?
Sir.
So actually it is called ML inequality. M dash L inequality. So inequality is nothing but that theorem. So using that theorem, result is this. It is called bounds, upper bound for a modulus for contour integrations, right? Arc length into that is upper bound of the function that is over the curve. So here it is proved just a triangle inequality. So for your reference, I have sent that answer. What is given in the book? You can check. So any doubt? So one in your book there are some integral in your book that is used in that is called a branch cut. I will not go through that branch cut. No doubt.
Sir, for improper integrals, always we can write 0 to infinity equal to half into minus infinity to infinity.
For improper integral, actually improper integral we have used for minus into plus infinity because we are considering upper half of the z plane. What is minus into plus infinity? That means x is equal to minus infinity to x is equal to plus infinity. What is your x is equal to minus infinity? That is your lower bound, and x is equal to infinity is upper bound. X is equal to minus infinity is left half of the x-axis. Extend to left half of the x-axis. And your right half, that is extends to plus infinity. One is x-axis extend from origin, one side is extend to plus infinity, another side is extend to minus infinity. So since we are considering the only poles, those are in upper half, that is first quadrant and second quadrant. So if you take 0 to infinity, that is only that is left hand. You start from left half, left side of x-axis to up to that is one part only, right? Not a whole part. Therefore, we are taking minus infinity plus infinity. That is standard form. Similarly, when you take the contour integration over the unit circle, so we are taking always 0 to 2 pi for full circle. 0 to 2 pi. So if it is 0 to pi, then you make into 2 times of 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi. 0 to 2 pi is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi. If question is 0 to pi, then you make half of 0 to 2 pi. Then you consider whole poles lies within the unit circle, right? So always you take for improper integral or improper Fourier integral or improper integral poles on the real axis, always minus into plus infinity, your limit. And also one extra conditions, it is used for only rational functions. Only rational functions. And that is that the function must be exist px by qx form. Where degree of qx must be exceed by 2 units, 2 or more units from degree of numerator. Why? Because limit r tends to infinity, integral over CR tends to 0. Otherwise, that part of the second part cannot be, you cannot prove it. So when any question given your examination, always it is tested that second part tends to 0. right? Any doubt? So your doubt clear or not? That students, hello. So if you want asked any doubt about this, you have
Of
raised
f of
your,
x dx from minus.
you have raised your hand. Any students ask the questions, so he should raise your hand. That is option, right? Hiranamaya, what is your doubt?
Sir, in integration there is a formula which says integration of f of x dx from minus a to a equal to 2 into integration of
Minus,
f of x
minus,
dx
minus,
from
hey,
minus
minus,
minus a to a equal to 2 into integration of f of x dx from 0 to a for even function, and for odd function it is 0. So that I was asking that from when we write 0 to infinity f of x dx equal to f of z dz equal to minus infinity to infinity half of minus infinity to infinity f of x dx, then we will check for even or odd function or not. That I was asking, sir.
No. Right? It cannot be. It is neither odd nor even. Right? It is neither any functions. Already, if you solve the questions, have you got any questions? It is even or odd, minus into plus infinity. Have you got odd or even? Any
Sin x by
function. Now you have got any functions. So if it is, you should not consider like that. Right? It is not a real integral. It is a control integrations. Right? So for real integral,
okay,
you have to apply. But here, since it is improper integral minus into infinity, you cannot apply your odd and even functions. It is improper integral. That formula is used for only proper integral. Right? It is minus a to infinity. That is proper. A is finite. So you take a minus 1 to 1. It is a finite case. Since it is minus into infinity, it is improper integral. That is first fundamental things for that integral. Where it is used to, that is even and odd, you should know. That is even and odd used for only for your definite proper integral. So it is, our chapter is improper integral. You cannot apply that formula which is used for proper to improper. Remember,
yes,
doubt
okay, sir.
clear? Doubt clear, Hidaman?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So you are used for improper integral, not proper integral. So that what you told me, that formula, it is for only for proper integrals. That is your limit is indefinite. Even that formula is not used for improper one. So anyone? Anyone? Doubt? Lokesh Jain? Lokesh? Lokesh Jain?
Yes, sir.
So you have no doubt?
No, sir.
So if actually you solve or not? If you
Yes, sir.
solve, then you have doubt. If you solve and you have no doubt, you are
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
I am solving, sir. Sir, I solved the last 3 year paper.
Right.
also.
I am not compelled to you. If you solve the questions, it is all right. So you try to solve more and more questions.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
So it will be, if you search for more and more questions, it is interesting for you. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you saw good. Mohit Goel. Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Come
Hello.
on. What is your doubt?
Sir,
No
I'm
doubt.
solving.
Eh?
Actually, I'm solving the question that you sent earlier.
Eh?
I'm
You have
solving
you
the
have sent
question that you
earlier.
sent.
You have sent earlier. Today.
No, sir, that the question you sent earlier, no. I'm solving that one.
Earlier ones today you have sent the questions.
Yeah. I solved the today one. I solved, but I'm also solving the earlier one. Aditi. Hello.
Hello,
Adit.
yes, sir.
Ah.
Hello.
What is your doubt?
Sir, I have not solved the previous year question paper, sir. I'll solve them and ask later.
So, what question previous is extra things. So during the class, I have sent some questions. You have got them. There is some question in material.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
The assignment I have sent to you. So previous
Yes.
question it is that is I have given the option to you. You solve. If you solve more questions, it will benefit for you. So at least
Yes, sir.
you test. How will you test your knowledge? You test your knowledge if you solve the previous questions. Right? Previous year questions. If any students capable to solve previous questions, then that he or she can judge that means I am that is good form in complex analysis. Right?
Yes, sir.
Amarjit?
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in slide number 12.
Eh?
Slide number 12.
Slide, there is no slide here. So you tell me what is your doubt.
Sir,
integration
0 to infinite x cube sin x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 9 dx.
X cube
Sin x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 9.
X cube sin x divided by x square plus 1 x square plus 9.
Yes, sir.
So that question is not possible. I have told you in that class that I have told you that degree of denominator must be exceeded by degree of numerator by 2 or more. So
yes,
in that question it is not possible. By wrongly I have given that some questions to you. So I have told already, if there is a x in the numerator, you cut it and solve the questions. That means that should be at least greater than 2. You can take, if you take that question in place of x square, if you take a x cube, if you take a x square, so it is possible. Or if you take x, it is possible. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That is x cube is wrongly I have written. So in place of x square, x cube, you take either x or x square, or without x. So that question may be x sin x, one question, x square sin x, another question. Right?
Okay, sir.
So you delete x cube, you write x sin x, denominator is same, one question with the same limit. X square sin x, denominator is same, is the second question. You solve both the questions.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anes.
Yes, sir.
What is your doubt?
No, sir. Till now, no doubt, sir.
You have solved the question or not?
Yes, sir. But sir, previous question I didn't solve, but the question you sent that I have solved.
Right. So when you have time, now you have sufficient time with you. So you at least to find the previous question and test your knowledge. Test your knowledge.
Okay, sir.
So you are from where?
Sir, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan place? Or place?
What, sir?
Rajasthan place.
Sir,
Rajasthan में
Bikaner.
Bikaner. So अच्छा place है. On our one teacher Anili Bangia. That is place of Bikaner. बीकानेरी पापड़ अच्छा है ना? अरे बीकानेरी
हाँ
पापड़.
सर. हाँ सर, नमकीन काफी अच्छा है.
हाँ नमकीन का मैंने so we know बीकानेरी पापड़ बहुत अच्छा है. और ठीक है. So what is your climate in Bikaner now? Climate cold or hot?
सर टुडे सर आज काफी धुंध था. सर्दी थी काफी आज.
So actually I spent one of my relatives stay at Kota. So I spent for 1 month there, Kota. And my daughter was the student of IIM Udaipur. I have also visited Udaipur. Right?
Yes, sir. Udaipur is also a nice place.
Udaipur is a very nice place. ठीक है. आशीर्वाद दास.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your doubt?
No, sir. Did
No.
not know.
Are you have solved the question or not? Ashirwad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am solving the previous question.
You are from where? Bhubaneswar?
Sir, Kotak.
Kotak.
Yes.
Bhimraj. Kshatriya. Bhimraj? Hello,
Yes,
Bhimraj.
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, till now, no doubt, sir.
And till now we have solved or not? Till now, if you will not solve any question, there is no doubt. If you solve, then there is a doubt.
No,
You have
sir,
solved the doubt or?
No, sir, I have solved the question. I have solved the question from the PDF and some question from the previous year.
Very good. So, if it is true, so I advise all the students. So you make a group. Those are solve the question. You send your doubt. Those have a doubt. You send that doubt in your WhatsApp group. And if somebody know the answer, solve at least and send that answer in WhatsApp group. Just I will observe. Right. That is you give students give the questions and the students also solve the questions. But we are your teacher just observing the that is WhatsApp group. What question came and what is the answer of that questions. Right. So at least you do like that. So if some students has a doubt and if that doubt is clear by somebody else, so it is for all the students, not for particular that students give the doubt and another student solve. That is not in between two. It is for all the students. If you like, I will give some comment for that answer. Right? All right, you leave. So class is over. Now I am leave.